Hello, I'm Brian Pratt with Park Place Limited. Today we're going to talk about our consignment vehicle of the month, which is our 1966 Chevelle Resto Mod. Let's dive right into the features of the car. Radiant red tricoat. There's 1,400 man-hours involved with the paint and body alone. So this restoration started in 2018. It just got completed of January 2025. Doug's restoration out of Olympia ended up doing all the work on this. All new glass, new exterior trim. Admire how beautiful the body lines are, how everything lines up perfectly. Black chrome wheels, 3-piece Forgeline. We have the Baer disc brakes, all four, with the anodized painted brake calipers, as you can see. We have the 3-inch exhaust. Look how well this car sits. It has great curb appeal. We have adjustable coilovers, all four, with the 4-link rear end as part of the suspension. There's a Art Morrison chassis, which is powder coated. We have the 373 gears on the rear with a 9-inch Curry on the rear. Let's walk over here. Pay attention to the anodized coating on the brake calipers of how well this ties into the exterior of the paint. Again, this is 1,400 man-hours just in paint and body alone. Just to order the paint was $10,000 just to order the paint. Moving along to the interior, you can see some of the customization that's been done. We have the 3-spoke steering wheel, tilt steering wheel, Dakota gauge cluster, again AC and heat, vinyl seats. We have power windows. This is custom feature here. Look how that works. Well thought out. The engine compartment, we have a 572 cubic inch big block, 621 horsepower, 645 pound-feet of torque. We have the aluminum heads, aluminum intake manifold high-rise, Phytech fuel injection system, aluminum radiator, twin fan. By the way, this is all forged internals. This engine goes to, the transmission is a 4L80E 4-speed automatic transmission, all brand new from Chevrolet Performance. There's only 60 miles on this engine and transmission since the build. Again, only 60 miles since the build. Let's dive in here on the custom fabricated headers with the Mondrell bend that lead out to the 3-inch exhaust, rack and pinion steering, American wiring harness. For more information, look at our website. If you want additional specific information, contact any of our sales representatives. We have tons of build invoices on file. We have build photos on file. Thank you for watching our car feature of the month at Park Place Limited. Have a great evening.